choose.
This is how to use the Hypervolt Plus. Hyperice came out with a newer model. This thing is connected to Bluetooth. It uses their new HyperSmart technology. What I like about this newer one is that it has a pressure sensor here, so you can see how much pressure you're applying and get a little feedback. Plus, it's got a little more force to it. So I'm going to show you how to incorporate this into your daily routine. So if you're sitting often or anything like that. So I'm going to start the Hypervolt on number 2, and I'm just going to work on the arm and the shoulder. So I'm just going to feel where it feels tight, feel where you feel any kind of issues. A lot of people get tight in the pecs from sitting and rounding forward. So we're going to work on the pec and then kind of open up your arm as you do that. Work through the pec, open up your arm. You can trace this through the upper arm, the shoulder, the biceps. Now we can flex the elbow and kind of extend it away. Just working right through that bicep, all the way up into the shoulder. So what I'm doing here, I'm trying to lengthen out my bicep, the front part of the arm. It can often get tight and cause problems up into the shoulder as it stays in like a flex position or a forward rounded position. So as we come down with the Hypervolt, we're going to lengthen out through our bicep to help improve the mobility of the arm and shoulder. Another area I see a lot of issues are wrists and forearms. What I like to do with the Hypervolt is trace this line down through the forearms. And as I'm doing that, I'm flexing and extending my wrist. So I'm getting a little stretch in the wrist. I'm helping release some of the tissues in the forearm, which act at the hand and the wrist. So this can offset any type of typing, phone use, eating, overuse of the hands, okay? We can take it to the other side, flex and extend through the wrist. And you want to just trace down any areas that feel like you're holding extra tension. But adding some motion into the joints helps improve the tissue mobility. When you're using this, you want to stay on the muscles. You obviously don't want to hit anything that's bony. So try to stay away from any bones or anything like that, and stay away from your abdomen. But other than that, you're pretty safe to hit it on any type of muscles. If anything's painful, causes too much tension, then you're probably doing it too hard. But I like to work on the neck as well. And again, as we work on the neck and upper shoulder, you can take your head away and kind of trace it down and back. Nice and easy, taking the head away. This helps offset any tension in the neck, upper shoulder, upper back, rotator cuff from sitting too long. So adding some motion as you use the Hypervolt helps improve your mobility overall. So this is a great tool, easy to use as you can see, and you can implement into your daily routine to help offset any injuries, any overuse type stuff. Give the Hypervolt a try.